doing that, another question. What about ultrasound or infrared therapy?
Yes.
I know that last time you were here, you showed an ultrasound of a scar.
Yes, that's it. So as part of the PhD, I'm using diagnostic ultrasound as part of the feasibility study, which is on my lovely flow chart to hopefully happen the end of next year. But with that, I'm going to look at scarring with the Alpinion ultrasound, and we're going to measure the space between how deep the scar tissue is. We're then going to measure lymphatic flow. We're going to use myotonometry on top of the scar, which looks at the pliability of the tissues. So to take lots of outcome measures so we can draw some statistical significance from the scar therapy that we do, as well as getting feedback from the client, from that emotional connection, things that you don't see with the scar. So diagnostic ultrasound is great, yes, to have a look under the scar and the skin, but you'll have so many people watching today that use lasers, that use
infrared
infrared, yes, absolutely. And of course there is evidence behind the lasers as well. I'm also an acupuncturist. I have been for 14 years. I use acupuncture for scars. If Ruth came in to see me, I would probably acupuncture underneath this scar because it's so tight and pinned down. Taping's great for this kind of scar because I tape in a lattice crisscross formation to offload the scar's tension. And I don't normally tape, but for this scar I think it'd be really good. However, Ruth is having a silicone compression garment, so that obviously will take priority.
So Celine asked, would you recommend dry needling on some scars? And the answer is
yes. If you have, like anything, never a first line treatment for me. When you're needling scars, the treatment is the hands. The treatment is feeling. These are the tools, aren't they, of your trade? So that's always going to be the treatment, first of all, is using your hands. And then if you had a scar, like if you can see Ruth's scar here, like this pinned bit in here where the collagen is tight at the top. It actually looks like it's starting to smooth out a bit. But here, I would be needling surrounding the dragon here, which has got some great names, and then down the scar like this. What does that do? You're creating a novel stimulus underneath the scar, so the body's natural healing response takes place to start healing it, because it's a trauma under the skin.